Let's start by sifting the dry ingredients. Green tea powder can be pretty clumpy. We'll sift them twice to make sure everything is nice and smooth so it mixes in easily. Then crack 3 eggs and separate them carefully. With all the prep done, it's time to make the chiffon cake batter. Add 12 grams of custard sugar to the egg yolks and whisk until the mixture thickens and almost doubles in volume. Then add vegetable oil or any flavorless oil to give its signature moist and tender texture. Mix until fully emulsified. This ensures the cake has an even texture and doesn't end up greasy or uneven. Add the milk and mix until everything is fully combined. Next, we will sieve the dry mixture again. This helps remove any lumps and aerates the flour, giving the cake a soft, airy crumb. Add a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor. When the mixture is almost fully combined, stop the mixer and finish mixing by hand with a spatula. This not only helps scrape down the sides and the bottom, but also prevents overmixing, keeping the cake light and delicate. For the egg whites, add a few drops of lemon juice and start whisking them at medium-low speed until a layer of foam forming. Then start adding the sugar in a few additions. Wait about 30 seconds between each addition to allow the sugar to dissolve before adding more. Once all the sugar is added, turn the mixer to medium-high speed and continue to whip until steep peaks form. Now, scoop a small amount of meringue to loosen the batter first, making it easier to fold in the rest. Then continue to scoop and fold the meringue gently to preserve the airy texture. You will notice the batter is ready when it becomes velvety and pillowy. Before pouring the batter into the pan, I like to use a spatula to scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. Then pour the batter into the pan in one spot. This makes it easier to handle both the pan and the batter while minimizing any mess. Now you can gently shake the pan to level the batter, then leave it a few inches off the surface and drop it to release any trapped air bubbles. If you would like, you can also run a skewer through the batter to remove any small air pockets, helping create a uniform crumb. Bake it in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Try not to open the oven door during baking. You can check for doneness in the last 5 minutes by inserting a skewer into the center. It should come out clean with no sticky batter. Once it's done, remove the cake from the oven and immediately invert the pan. This helps to cool evenly and prevents collapsing. Now the cake has cooled. It looks absolutely gorgeous and smells incredible. You could totally unmold and enjoy the cake now, but trust me, you will want to keep watching to see how I take this to the next level. Now to make the frosting, it's a very simple matcha whipped cream. Pour the double cream in a chilled mixing bowl along with vanilla extract. Then sieve in icing sugar and green tea powder. Finally, add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Whisk them all together until soft peaks form. Now we are ready to decorate.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be
hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to give this recipe a try. You can find the full recipe in the descriptions below. If you loved this, please like and share it so more people can enjoy it too. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so we can keep baking together. If you love chiffon cakes, I've got another delicious one waiting for you. Click on the screen to watch now. See you there. Bye for now.